but I am not entering for the same reasons that everybody else is entering for. Hey guys, what's up? Brandon here. Let's go. So my apologies for not doing many videos last week. I was actually really caught up with trying to catch up with doing one-on-one classes with students and finishing up the website and getting it ready for everybody the big influx of persons who coming in and all of that, right? I was really busy last week, but I am back. I'm gonna try my best to see if I can produce as many videos as I can this week, so you can be sure to look out. What I want to talk about today is actually a question. Should you just do the opposite of what the masses are doing? That's a very good question, isn't it? Because I know that a lot of people think that the secret to success is just to figure out what it is everybody's doing and then do the opposite. But if you think about it, that doesn't really make a lot of sense. Let's explain why. So the concept is that a lot of traders and mentors tell you that what you need to do is just understand how the market moves and understand what the majority are doing and then do the exact opposite. But the reason why this would not work, or it will give a lot of problems to work in, at least in consistency, is because if you think about it, if the market is going up and up and up, what you need to understand, and it's very simple, if the market is going up and you are looking to do the opposite of what the market is doing, because that's what the masses are doing, essentially, when the market is going up, you'll be looking to sell. And you'll be stopped out every single time, because the reality is, it's not necessarily best to go against what they're doing, but to just make sure that you understand what exactly the masses are doing so that you can more or less follow the direction, but do it for different reasons as to what they are doing. And that's essentially what I do. What I want you to understand is, when I am trading, I am not entering in a different direction to what is happening in the market, but I am not entering for the same reasons that everybody else is entering for. A common misconception or a common thing that is said is, if everybody's going left, you should go right. And while I agree with that for the most part, where you really shouldn't be following what everybody else does, you should realistically create your own trail on your own path and follow your own direction. What I would advise is not to just go against other people just for going against them's sake. You need to understand why they're going in that direction in the first place, so that you can make a conscious and calculated decision on if it is, I should be going in that direction at this point or not. Remember, being a trader is all about making decisions. You're literally paid to make decisions, analyze data and make decisions. So if you can get to a level where you understand why other traders and the masses are making certain decisions, then you can navigate and circumvent why they're making those decisions and make your own. It's not a matter of just doing the exact opposite of what the masses are doing, because if you do that, you will still lose. Are you going to be right all the time? Of course not. You absolutely are not going to be right all the time. I'm not right all the time. I lose trades all the time. You understand? But the fact is, obviously, if your risk is managed, your stop losses are placed and all of that, then you should be realistically fine. You understand? The fact is, if you are able to capitalize and make your risk-reward ratios really big, your win-to-loss ratio, I don't want to say it's null and void, but it's not as important as you think it is. Your risk-to-reward ratio, however, if you can capitalize on the direction of the market 9 times out of 10 or most times, right, where when the market is really moving, you can capitalize on that, you'll be fine. I can assure you of that. This is also the reason why when I produce the ECR video on my YouTube, I explain the structure in both the reversal direction and the continuation direction. Because what is very important to know is what the market is doing, so that we can know how we should move. If the market is not going to reverse, do not try to trade it for a reversal. Take my stupid advice. I can assure you, if it is the market is not going to reverse, you are not going to make money trying to trade a reversal. And if the market is most likely going to continue, it makes sense to follow that continuation, because that's where the money is. Realistically, you're not going to make money in a market that isn't moving. So if the market is moving and you have a bias analysis and an entry to follow into that direction, then the best thing to do is do exactly that. Alright guys, so that's the end of this short little video. I really had this on my mind for a while, and I really wanted to get this out to you, because it's something that I believe a lot of traders make a very grave mistake with. And I think that if you understand just what I'm saying here, we don't need to go into any charts or anything today, right? And I'll also show you that many people will not watch this video because I'm not breaking down a strategy or whatever. But the reality is these are things that traders don't talk about because one, they either don't believe that it's a reality, they don't even know that these kind of concepts exist, or they don't feel like it's important. I'm telling you that understanding these little logistics, these little tiny little things are very important for your success as a trader. So I really hope that you take something from this video and you learn something, and I hope that you enjoy. Alright guys, so that's the end of this short video as well today, right? I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, hit like on the video. It does help me a lot. Also, leave a comment below on what you think of this concept. Do you think it makes sense what I'm saying, as opposed to you shouldn't go against the direction of the market when the market isn't? If the market is moving in one direction and you shouldn't just go against it. Do you think that makes sense? Alright, let me know, comment it below. Right, also hit subscribe and ring the bell so that you can know when I do post more videos like this. And if you have any questions, you can leave them for me at Ikata Trading on Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, and obviously subscribe to my YouTube. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.